Okay, I'm starting my video today by reading Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31, which says, "But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint." So we'll be looking at the numbers to the scripture and at the word renew. If you look at the word renew and you write all in capital letters, you're going to see that the letters can make numbers, like E, if turned this way, will make a 3. N, if turned sideways, will look like a 2. And of course, E make a 3 again. And W, if you turn it to left, will make a 3. So you get 3, 2, 3, 3. And if you do this, 323 times 3 is going to equal 969. And if you've been watching my videos in the past, you know that I talk about how that pi represents time. Pi equals 69 in Hebrew gematria. You got 69 going backwards, which looks like the 96. So it's representing time and anti-time coming together. That's when we're going to be renewed. That's when we're going to mount up with wings as eagles. And if you look at this scripture numbers, Isaiah equals 47 in simple gematria. Then you get 40 and 31 if you drop the 0. 4 times 7 times 4 times 3 times 1 equals 336, plus its reverse 633 is 969. If you just take the verse and the chapter and verse number, drop the 0, you get 431. Add to its reverse 134, you're going to get 565. And I talked about how that when time and anti-time come together, that's when time stops. That's when we're going to be living in the now. And if you take 565 and look at the word now, N equals 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. O is 15, 1 plus 5 is 6. W is 23, 2 plus 3 is 5. So it's the numbers of now. And if you take this number and write its opposite next to it and divide it into 3 parts, the 4 and 3 make a 7, the 1 and 1 make a 2, the 3 and 4 make a 7. So it's 727, and 314 plus 413 is 727. And pi is represented by 3.14, so it's representing pi opposite pi. And if we look at this phrase, "they shall mount up with wings as eagles," it equals 431. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And now if you put R into the mixture, R is 18 in simple gematria. 1 plus 8 is 9. So if you take 9 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 3, then add it to its reverse, 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 9, it's going to equal 972. And if you add 972 to its reverse, 279, it's going to equal 1251, which I've talked about in previous videos, how that represents time and anti-time coming together too, because you get 12 numbers on the clock, and then you get 12 going backwards, looks like the 51. So your reflection of 12 has to do with symmetry. So this 2 also represents time and anti-time coming together. And I thought this is interesting too. If you took the letters that make numbers out of Isaiah, the I would make a 1. The S looks like a 5. Then you got another I, which looks like a 1. And if you add, I have right here, where did I put it? 151 plus 4031 is going to equal 4182. If you add that to its reverse, 2814, it's going to be 6996. So again, you got your pi opposite pi. And I also thought about eagles, how they have very good eyesight. So our eyesight too, our vision of how we perceive time is going to change. So we're going to be renewed. And God is going to make all things new. We're no longer going to be in time. Okay, well, that's my video for today, and I hope everybody has a good day.